Hi, my name is Murtada Al-Hubaid. I'm part of the engineering team for Couchbase Analytics. I'm going to give you a short demo of the new high availability feature for the analytics service in Couchbase Server 7.1. First, I'm going to show you the analytics service behavior without high availability enabled. Then we will enable high availability and see the difference. So let's get started. In here, I have a Couchbase server cluster with 3 nodes. One node is running the data service and the other 2 are running the analytics service. The cluster has a single bucket called the trouble sample, which contains multiple collections. I'm going to start by creating a collection on the analytics side. The incoming data from the data service for this collection is hash partitioned across the 2 analytics nodes in the cluster. Now that the data for this collection is fully ingested, I'm going to disconnect the data stream. Let's check the number of documents we have in this collection by running this query. We can see that we have 917 documents. Now I'm going to fail over one of the analytics nodes and try to execute this query again. We can see that we get an error saying that the analytics service is temporarily unavailable, and that's because the data stored on the failed over node is not accessible anymore. I'm going to add this node back now. And once the node is back and the data becomes accessible, the query should work again. Let's try the query again. And now it's working and we have our data back. Now let's try enabling high availability for the analytics service. We do that by setting the analytics replicas to at least 1. This means the data stored on each analytics node will have at least 1 replica on some other analytics node in the cluster. For this setting to take effect, we need to do a one-time rebalance. Let's execute our analytics query to make sure that we still have the correct count. Now, I'm going to fail over one of the analytics nodes after high availability has been enabled. And let's run our query one last time. And we can see that the analytics service continues to work during the failover, and the data stored in the failed over node is being served by the replica on the remaining analytics node in the cluster. Thanks for watching.